Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Equifax protects consumer data. Equifax is a major consumer credit reporting agency, and protecting the sensitive personal information they hold is a critical responsibility. They have implemented a variety of measures to safeguard consumer data. First, Equifax uses a multi-layered security approach. This includes things like endpoint security on their devices, antivirus software, and encryption for both data in transit and at rest. They also have a dedicated security operations center that works to detect and respond to unauthorized access. Second, Equifax has strict policies regarding who can access consumer data. They follow the need-to-know principle, meaning employees and contractors only have access to the information absolutely required for their jobs. They also use multi-factor authentication for remote access to their systems. Third, Equifax is committed to a security-first culture. They have regular security training for all employees and a strong focus on preventing common threats like phishing. They even conduct simulations to ensure their teams are prepared to respond to a crisis. Finally, Equifax offers tools to help consumers protect their own information. These include security freezes, which restrict access to your credit report, and fraud alerts, which require creditors to verify your identity before opening a new account. They also offer credit monitoring and identity protection services to alert you to suspicious activity. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.